video on flying time calculation. So for flying time, that is a flight time, because departure time and arrival time are given in the local time zone, local times of the country, and you have to calculate the total flying time. For that, you just need to change the local time into GMT. And for that, what you have to do, you have to notice the time zone. Like for Singapore, it's +8. So just change the sign into minus and do the arithmetic operation with the local time. Now local time is given 8:15 and time zone is +8. So 8 has to be subtracted from the local time. So that is how you convert local time to GMT. You just change the sign which is before the time zone. If it's plus, then subtract that number from the local time zone. If it is minus, then add that number to the local time zone. That is how you convert local time into GMT. That's simple. Like if India is 5:30 ahead of GMT, then GMT time will be 5:30 back, right? 5:30 before Indian time. So that is how you do it. So if time zone is plus, then you have to subtract the time zone number. If it is minus, then you have to add the time zone number. For example, in this question, the flight is arriving in Singapore 8:15 is the time, local time, and 8 is the time zone, +8. So you subtract 8 and you get 0 hours 15 minutes. So this is 0 hours and 15 minutes, which means midnight 12:15, right? Next day. Then how you get the flying time? So flight left London. So departure time is 9:45 hours and it is already in GMT, right? Greenwich Meridian time, which is the Greenwich line which passes through United Kingdom. So flight time in London is already in GMT. So now you just have to subtract the departure time from the arrival time, right? So you have arrival time minus departure time. So one way to do this is just count the numbers. You are arriving next day 12:15 and you have the departure time is 9:45 hours, because we take 24 hours clock, right? So 9:45, then comes 10:45, then comes 11, then comes 12, right? And up to 23, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. That is 11 p.m. Right? So you how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 hours already. 14 hours, and it was 9:45, 10:45, 11:45, 12:45 and 23:45. And after 23:45 to 24:15, that is next day midnight 15 minutes, it's 30 minutes, right? 11:45 to 12:15. 0.15 is the next day 15 minutes, right? 12 midnight. So you go 14 hours and 30 minutes. That is the total flying time. This you can do arithmetically as well, but you will have to make just consider, because these are hours and minutes, not the percentages or the numbers you write 8.1, 8.2. These are 8 hours 15 minutes, 0 hours 15 minutes, 9 hours 45 minutes. So if you will directly subtract the arrival time, departure time from arrival time, then you will get a wrong answer, because you are calculating it wrong, because these are minutes, not the percentage, right? So you will have to convert them into decimal, right? So minutes you have to change into hours, percentage of hours. That is how it is, right? 2 decimal, 2 points, then it is 100, it is percentage. So you convert 0.15. So 15 is 1/4. 1/4 of 60, right? 15 upon 60. So it is 1/4. 1/4 means 25%, right? So it is 0.25. 15 minutes is 25% of an hour. So this way, same way, 9:45 will be the 9 hours 45 minutes will be 45 minutes is the 3/4, right? 45 upon 60 you get 3/4. 3/4 is the 75%, right? So you get 9.75. So this one, you know, it is next day. So after 24 it is 25 actually, right? So 25.25, 25.25, that is how you say numbers after point. So 25.25 minus 9.75, and you again get, how much you get? 550, 75, 12, and 24, 9, 15. You get 15.50. That is how you get it, right? 9.75, you get 24.25 minus 9.75, right? So you get 550, 7512, 23 minus 9, 14. So you get 14.50. Now 50 is in percentage. It is in percentage. You will have to convert into minutes. So 50 is half, right? 50%, it is half. Half of the 60, that is 60 minutes you have, right? Half of the 60 is 30 minutes. So you get total 14 hours 30 minutes total flying time. So this is how you calculate flying time. Simple, just convert the local time into GMT and subtract the arrival time from subtract the departure time from the arrival time, right? Because arrival time will be the later, it will be the greater. So let's have one more example, that is Air India's flight is leaving New York at 20 hours, because we consider 24 hours clock. So it is 8 p.m. actually, and time zone of New York is -5 GMT local time on Thursday, and arrives Delhi at 0 hours 30 minutes 0 hour 30 minutes 5:30 is the GMT on Saturday local time. So this is simple. First of all, convert local time into GMT. You are leaving 20 hours Thursday. So -5 is the GMT. As I said, you will have to change this sign. So you are changing this into plus and you are adding 5. So after adding 5, you get 25, which is after 24, 1. So 1 a.m. next day. So it was Thursday, leaving local time on Thursday. So now it is Friday. So it is leaving as per GMT, it is leaving 1 a.m. Friday. And as per local time, it was leaving 20 hours Thursday. Then we convert the arrival time again into the GMT. So this time we have plus 5:30, then you hear minus 5:30, right? And it is 0 hours 30 minutes Saturday. So after, from Saturday midnight, right? Saturday midnight, you will have to subtract minus 5:30. So you go 5:30 back from the midnight point 30 and you get, so 0.30, it is simply 24.30, right? After 24, 30 minutes. After 24 hours, 30 minutes it is. So you can just consider here 24 hours 30 minutes and you will go 5:30 back, so it will be again 19 hours, 19 hours. So, and it was on Saturday, so you are going back from the next day, 24 hours 30 minutes it was of the next day, so you are going one day back again, so it will be Friday. Now both the time GMT are in Friday, same day, and departure time is 1 a.m. 1 hours, and arrival time is 19 hours. So simply subtract 1 from 19 and you get 18 hours, the total flying time. So I hope you understand and you will not face any problem in future while calculating flying time. Thank you. Have a great day.